Welcome all, Papa G here. Today is Saucy Sunday. It's where we focus primarily on low-carb recipes for sauces, condiments, and dressings. Most of the videos will be short and to the point, just something to help add a little flavor to your low-carb diet. Let's get started. For this week's episode, we'll make one of the most versatile and delicious sauces you'll ever try. My famous Remoulade sauce. This sauce is a perfect accompaniment for any seafood, beef, or chicken dishes, and makes a wonderful dressing for your favorite salad. Let's get started. Add 10 tablespoons of mayonnaise to a mixing bowl. Add some Creole mustard, a teaspoon of Creole or Cajun seasoning. Now I'm using my favorite Creole seasoning, Tony Chachere's. Notice in the ingredients it lists salt as its first ingredient. If you use a different brand that doesn't have salt, you may want to add some to taste. Add some prepared horseradish, paprika, a little apple cider vinegar, some of my low-carb Worcestershire sauce, some lemon juice, and we'll balance the acidity with a liquid sugar substitute equal to 4 teaspoons of regular sugar. Mix well until everything is blended. Pour into a storage container and chill for at least 1 hour to thicken and allow the flavors to come together. This sauce is perfect for my crab cake recipe and goes extremely well with any seafood, beef, or chicken recipe. It also makes a great dressing for your favorite salad. There you have it, folks, my low-carb Remoulade sauce, a perfect accompaniment for any seafood, beef, or chicken meal. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. I'll have something new every week. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.